Grimm's got another Jada T1 Volkswagen bus, this time with Woody of Toy Story. Let's check it out. Here we have our smug looking little Woody because he's got a sick ride. Matching plastic surfboard. But here is our T1 bus. Front moving doors, one side door, and the engine compartment opens as well.